Impeachment refers to a proceeding instituted by a legislative body to address serious misconduct by a public official. Impeachment is a significant tool in the legal system, used to hold government officials accountable for their actions. While it is often associated with high-profile cases involving public figures, impeachment can occur at various levels of government. The impeachment process typically involves the charging of a government official with misconduct, followed by a trial to determine whether they should be removed from office. This process varies by jurisdiction, but it generally follows a set of procedural steps.